Matt from the New York Motor Club here. Vinny Russo from Reduced Speed Ahead and Spyker. And we're here with the C8 Spyder. 420 horsepower, Audi V8. Awesome fit and finish. I happen to love this car. It's the coolest shifter of any car ever made.
Yeah, everybody likes that.
It's awesome. And what else do I need to know about this car?
The most important thing that I can tell you is that there are no driver's aids in this car. There's no traction control.
Nice.
There is no anti-skid measures.
Nice.
You've got ABS that will only activate in a panic situation, so you can still track the car and don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
But I can't stress enough to you that there are no driver aids in this car, which means you are on your own.
Okay, that's good. So, what do you say we go drive it?
Yeah, we're going to drive that.
Let's do that.
Let's do it. Jump in.
Wow, these pedals are sick. I actually feel like I'm driving a race car with these pedals. Yeah, boy. First gear. Oh, the clutch is nice and low take up.
Dude, it's a fun car to drive. I'm telling you.
I would buy one of these over a Gallardo any day of the week. Any day of the week for 200 grand. This is the coolest shifter ever installed in a car, isn't it? Oh yeah. Woo! Oh, this thing is nice. God damn, I have the best job in the world. Ripping a Spyker on the causeway, doing about $1. I'll slow down a little bit. No power brakes. You got to stand on it a little bit. You're right, but it's not nearly as rough as my Cobra. Oh, what an awesome car this is! Audi V8, super smooth. Oh, really nice, easy downshift. Super easy to heel toe it, even with bare feet. I like the tiny steering wheel too. It adds an element of super coolness. The shifter's actually much easier to operate than you'd think it is. It's definitely a nice, good, solid unit. Woo! I have got to get me one of these. The steering actually is very light, despite the small steering wheel. You know, you'd think it would require a lot more effort, but it definitely doesn't. The fit and finish is really good too.
Feel the switches, man.
Those are like nice chromy.
Get some of those in your Cobra.
I should. I have similar ones in the Mini.
Yeah, you do.
Not quite as nice, but then again, that car is 30 grand and this one is 200. Chirp second gear a little bit. So how many of these things have they sold total?
There's about 200 worldwide, about 60 in North America.
Okay. It's not, is that about what are projections for this thing?
They've only been sold in the U.S. since November of 05. So
okay.
Going on like not even 2.5 years.
All right. It's super easy to drive though. You don't actually need all the traction control and all that stuff or paddle shifters.
Well, it doesn't have too much power. It's got enough to make it go.
I've chirped second gear every single shift. I mean, it's definitely got.
But it's not one of those cars that's got too much power to make it scary, but it will.
She was hot.
Yeah.
Got a little wavy.
And
her boyfriend is a douchant.
To the nth degree.
Well, this is a nice, hand-built supercar. Certainly much rarer than anything you're going to find from Italy.
Yeah, you will not go to Starbucks and see another one of these.
No, you won't go anywhere and see another one of these.
If you ever get carjacked in this car, just flip the switch. The guy will never figure out how to start it.
Where's the switch? Oh, that guy?
Right just flip that down, the guy won't go anywhere because there's no way anybody will figure out how to start it.
This car rules. You know where I'd really like to have one of these things? On a track in Germany.
See what we can do.
Sweet. That was an ill test drive. That car rules. Rules. Great car to drive. Easy, but at the same time, if you push it, could totally be challenging. And sounds great, pulls great, stops great, turns great, fit and finish is good, toggle switches kick ass. Awesome. What's not to like?